Welcome to Giglings. In this demo, we're exploring the User Story Weaver, your AI assistant for turning raw inputs into structured user stories and acceptance criteria. The user starts by browsing the Giglings catalog and opening the User Story Weaver Gigling. In the Overview tab, you'll find general information about what this Gigling does and how it helps. The Examples tab shows real-life samples of input and output, so you know what kind of results to expect. In the Features section, you'll see the key functions and benefits this Gigling provides. The Technical tab gives you details on supported input and output formats, file size limits, and how many credits it typically consumes. Clicking Start a Gig launches the process. Here you can choose between direct requirements or guided breakdown. You can also optionally upload a file, and in future versions, connect cloud sources like GitHub, OneDrive, or Google Drive. In this demo, we choose direct requirements and paste a free-form input. This might be a meeting note, a customer brief, or any raw requirement description. After clicking Start Gig, the system runs smart input validation. It checks for basic criteria like minimum and maximum length, language compatibility, and whether the input is meaningful. Next, the system estimates credit usage, minimum, most likely, and maximum, and calculates an estimated processing time based on current queue status and load. These estimates are presented to the user for review. Once confirmed, the gig is saved and added to the processing queue. When the gig's turn comes, the AI kicks in. The User Story Weaver processes the input, generates the results, and notifies the user when it's ready. From the My Gig section, the user opens the completed gig. Since this was run with the User Story Weaver, the results appear as a structured list of user stories and acceptance criteria. Each user story also includes an improvement section, offering suggestions for refinement, potential gaps, and follow-up questions to consider. Users can copy the results directly or use the Export Options tab to download everything as a file. And finally, for accurate records, the system stores both the input and the generated results, so you can always revisit your work later. With Giglings, structuring your requirements just got a whole lot easier. Try your first User Story Weaver gig and let AI help you build better products.